Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? 8 to the power of s plus 50 to the power of s is equal to 20 to the power of x plus 1. Solution. Then take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. This can be written as 8 to the power of x plus 50 to the power of x is equal to, this can be written as 20 to the power of s multiplied by 20 to the power of 1. Now we have 8 to the power of s plus 50 to the power of s is equal to 20 to the power of s multiplied by 20 to the power of 1 is 20. Now let's divide all through by 20 to the power of x. This is 8 to the power of s divided by 20 to the power of s plus 50 to the power of s divided by 20 to the power of s is equal to 20 to the power of s multiplied by 20 divided by 20 to the power of x. This we cancel this. Then we have 8 to the power of x divided by 20 to the power of s plus 50 to the power of s divided by 20 to the power of s is equal to 20. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n, this is equal to a divided by b, or to the power of n. Then this can be written as 8 divided by 20 or to the power of x plus, this is 50 divided by 20 or to the power of s is equal to 20. Here 4 here 2, 4 here 5, then here 10 here 2, 10 here 5. So this is 2 divided by 5 or to the power of x plus 5 divided by 2 or to the power of s is equal to 20. Now if you have a to the power of minus 1, this is equal to 1 divided by a. Then if you have a divided by b to the power of 1, this is equal to b divided by a to the power of minus 1. So this can be written as 2 divided by 5 to the power of x plus 1 divided by this 2 divided by 5 to the power of x is equal to 20. Then from here, let 2 divided by 5 to the power of x is equal to y. Then this can be written as y plus 1 divided by y is equal to 20. Let's multiply all through by y. Then this will give you y multiplied by y plus 1 divided by y multiplied by y is equal to 20 multiplied by y. This, we cancel this. Then we have y times y. This is y squared plus 1 is equal to 20 times y. That is 20y. Then here we have y squared plus 1 minus 20y is equal to 0. Then this is y squared minus 20y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. From here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, c is equal to 1. Then we have y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then y is equal to minus bracket minus 20 plus or minus square root of, this is minus 20 square minus 4 multiplied by 1, everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Y is equal to minus times minus 20. This is 20 plus or minus square root of minus 20 square. That is 400 minus 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4. Then everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Y is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 400 minus 4, that is 396 divided by 2. Y is equal to 20 plus or minus square root of 396 can be written as square root of 36 multiplied by 11. Then everything divided by 2. Then we know that square root of 36 is equal to 6. Then this can be written as y is equal to 20 plus or minus 6 square root of 11 divided by 2. Then y is equal to 20 divided by 2 plus or minus 6 square root of 11. Then this is divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 3, 2 here 1, 2 here 10. Therefore, y is equal to 10 plus or minus 3 square root of 11. Now, y1 is equal to 10 plus 3 square root of 11, and y2 is equal to 10 minus 3 square root of 11. These are the values of y, but y is equal to 2 divided by 5 or to the power of x. Then we have 2 divided by 5 or to the power of s is equal to y1, that is 10 plus 3 square root of 11, and 2 divided by 5 or to the power of s is equal to y2, that is 10 minus 3 square root of 11. Now let's solve this. Let's take the log of both sides. We have log 2 divided by 5 to the power of s is equal to log 10 plus 3 square root of 11. Note, if you have log a to the power of b This is equal to b log a. Now this can be written as s log 2 divided by 5 is equal to log 10 plus 3 square root of 11. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 2 divided by 5. This divided by log 2 divided by 5. This will cancel this. X is equal to log 10 plus 3 square root of 11 divided by log 2 divided by 5. Take note of this, that if you have log a divided by log b, this is equal to log a base b. Now this can be written as s is equal to log 10 plus 3 square root of 11 base 2 divided by 5. This is the first value of x. Let's call this s1. Also, from here, let's take the log of both sides again. We have log 2 divided by 5 to the power of s is equal to log 10 minus 3 square root of 11. Then this is s log 2 divided by 5 is equal to log 10 minus 3 square root of 11. Then let's divide all through by log 2 divided by 5. This divided by log 2 divided by 5. Then this, we cancel this. X is equal to log 10 minus 3 square root of 11 divided by log 2 divided by 5. Then S2 is equal to log 10 minus 3 square root of 11 base 2 divided by 5. This is also another values of x. Therefore, our final answer are S1 is equal to log 10 plus 3 square root of 11 base 2 over 5, and S2 is equal to log 10 minus 3 square root of 11 base 2 over 5. These are the values of x. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.